Jackie B is gonna be my girlfriend.
So Jackie B, do you think you and Whitemoney could be an item? Do you think you like him enough to become an item? He has only just told me that he liked me a few days ago. Before that, I had no idea, because the same way he is with me is how he was with every other girl. Do you understand? So I didn't now do it for me. I'm not going to start trying to read meaning into he has many wives. I know it's all a joke, but the same way he would laugh with me and everything. So I didn't see any reason to think that he was looking at me any type of way. So I also put him in that place. Do you understand? That friend, guy, papa, you know, that whole vibe. Because that's the vibe I was getting from him. So now him telling me, obviously, it shocked me, to be honest. And the timing that it came as well shocked me. So I'm like, okay, at the end of the day, I'm not saying that it's a bad thing or anything. It's okay, but like I'm saying the timing. So I'm saying, I don't understand. Why is it now that he's telling me all these things? So me too, I have to process it. So I have a lot of respect for him. I have a lot of love for him. Do you understand what I mean? And he's definitely someone that I can date, for sure. I'm not saying that it's not possible for me to date him. It can honestly happen. But I have to reprogram my mind now to start seeing him in that way. But with him, it wasn't even that at all. I never even suspected it for a second.
Because that's how I move. That's how I come. I don't come with, hey,
so we spent 3 weeks, and that's the programming that entered my head. Do you understand? I can't come and just... He's a mature man. Like, that's the type of man that I want. A grown-ass mature man that knows what the fuck he wants. That's my type of person.